guys, I'm in the mood in making videos, so join me in making my lunch. This is something we prefer to cook if we are short of time, so it's something we can make really fast. It only requires very few ingredients. For one, we have here like half a kilo of pork bones. We always have that in the freezer in case we need some proteins to add into soups. But for right now, I'm making this meal because I want to eat something fried. I did not add oil to that one because I just let it stay in the pan for a while so it releases its own oil. So the oil you're seeing right now is the oil from the meat itself. Then while that's cooking, I'm chopping the what you call this one? I'm chopping the garlic. Oh my god, that word garlic, the power word or word. Yeah, I'm chopping the garlic at the same time, so you see how easily you can cook this. And while mixing it, because I want all sides of the pork bone to be soaked into the oil so it will be fried correctly. So I'm doing them at the same time. So I've done chopping the garlic into really tiny bits, and so I continue frying the pork using, like I told you, it's their own oil. So while doing that at the same time, also taking my other ingredients. I don't add salt. I don't add anything to this meal, to this recipe. So right now, I believe my pork bones are ready. So this the only time I add the garlic because the garlic easily cooks. So I add both of my secret ingredients. No, it's not a secret. It's the only hoisin in the oyster sauce. That's all I added in there, and there's no salt whatsoever. And yeah, so since I'm Asian, proud to be Asian, I don't eat it with vegetables. That's another thing because I don't have one right now. So I had to heat up rice, and of course it's done. So it's a taste test now, and super yummy. It's really good, this recipe. Et voilà, bon appétit à moi.